Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BuyCycle app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BuyCycle is a marketplace app designed for buying, selling, and trading bicycles. The app features detailed bike listings, seller ratings, price comparisons, and advanced search filters. Users can save favorites, receive notifications for new listings, and communicate directly with sellers through in-app chat. It aims to make the cycling marketplace more accessible and organized for both casual buyers and cycling enthusiasts. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its clean interface, ease of navigation, and helpful filtering options. Users can quickly find bikes that match their preferences, track market trends, and engage with reliable sellers. Many appreciate the notifications and saved favorites feature, which streamline the buying and selling process. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report delays in listing updates or limited coverage in certain regions. In-app communication may occasionally face lag, and access to premium listings or features may require subscription fees. The app's usefulness can also depend on local user activity. In less active areas, options may feel limited. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the BuyCycle app may be worth using if you're a cycling enthusiast looking for a dedicated platform to buy or sell bikes efficiently. It excels in convenience, search customization, and user interaction. However, if you live in a region with limited listings or aren't interested in potential subscription features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.